Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make green beans from a can. First, carefully open your can of green beans and drain all the liquid. Rinsing the beans under cool water helps remove excess sodium and improves their flavor. Transfer the rinsed beans to a saucepan, ready for heating. This simple step ensures your beans are fresh and ready for delicious additions. Now, let's add some flavor. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in the saucepan with your beans. Season them with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a small pinch of black pepper. Stir everything together gently. Heat the beans over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes, or until they are heated through and the butter is fully incorporated. To really elevate your canned green beans, consider adding some extra ingredients. Sauté about 1/4 cup of chopped onion until translucent, then add it to your beans. Crumbled, cooked bacon adds a wonderful smoky depth. For an aromatic kick, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. These additions transform simple beans into a side dish. Your delicious canned green beans are now ready to serve. Transfer them to a serving bowl while they are still warm. For a nice touch, you can garnish them with some fresh chopped parsley or a light sprinkle of paprika. These quick and easy green beans make a fantastic side dish for almost any meal. Enjoy your flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.